Welcome to our YouTube channel BizGrow, your ultimate destination for comprehensive business insights and growth strategies. Hey there, ambitious entrepreneurs! Are you ready to skyrocket your small business to success? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving deep into the art of crafting a killer marketing strategy. Trust me, it's not as daunting as it sounds. I've got a step-by-step guide to turn your small business into a marketing powerhouse. Let's get started. You wouldn't try to sell snow to Eskimos, right? Understanding your audience is crucial. Identify your ideal customers by diving into their demographics, preferences, and behaviors. Plus, don't forget to spy on your competitors and keep an eye on industry trends. It's like having a secret weapon in your marketing arsenal. What makes your business stand out in a crowded market? This step is all about showcasing your uniqueness. Clearly articulate your unique value proposition, the magic that sets you apart from the competition. Highlight those benefits and solutions that make your product or service a game changer. Time to set some goals, my friends. Your marketing objectives should be measurable, realistic, and aligned with your overall business goals. Aim for the stars, but keep those goals within reach. We're building a ladder to success, not a rocket to Mars. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Develop a killer marketing plan that covers online and offline channels. Think social media, email marketing, content marketing, SEO, paid advertising, and good old traditional advertising. It's like creating a roadmap to victory. Your website is your online storefront, so make it shine. Create a user-friendly site, optimize it for search engines, and conquer social media. Engage with your audience, promote your brand, and let the world know you mean business. Content is king, my friends. Educate, entertain, and solve problems for your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, share content that leaves your audience wanting more. Choose the right social media platforms for your audience. Consistency is key, so post relevant content, engage with your audience, and join those conversations. Social media is your virtual playground. Time to dominate it. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted email. Build that email list, send targeted content, and watch those leads turn into loyal customers. It's like having a direct line to your audience's hearts. Invest wisely in paid advertising. Whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, or other platforms, set a budget and monitor performance. It's like putting your business on the big screen. Get ready for the spotlight. Numbers don't lie, folks. Use analytics tools to track your campaigns. Adjust your strategy based on the data. Focus on what works and drop what doesn't. It's all about fine-tuning your masterpiece. Get out there, attend events, join local business groups, and build connections. Word of mouth is the secret sauce for small businesses. Let your network become your biggest cheerleaders. Who doesn't love a good deal? Attract new customers and keep the old ones happy by throwing in special promotions and discounts. It's like giving your customers a high five for choosing you. Positive reviews are gold. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, or your website. It's the social proof that turns skeptics into believers. The business world is a jungle, and you need to be the adaptable chameleon. Stay informed about industry trends and be ready to pivot your strategy. Regularly reassess your plan to stay ahead of the curve. There you have it, marketing warriors. Follow these steps, stay consistent, be authentic, and watch your small business soar to new heights. Remember, the journey to success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Go out there, crush it, and make your mark on the business world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic content. Until next time, keep hustling. Please subscribe our YouTube channel BizGrow for more business insight.